A very warm good evening to all the NEET UG 2025 aspirants. This is your counselor Naveen Harjwani. I welcome parents also. If any parent is seeing this video, I would first of all like to thank you all for visiting our channel. Now, this video is a very short video on a website which can be very useful. Uh, at the time of NEET counseling, or you want to predict your rank, what exam you have given, on the basis of the marks you're getting, you can predict your rank, and according to those ranks, you can also see what college admissions you would or you might get through. Okay, so this is a very simplified website. You can see the website name is neetadmission.in. Okay, if you are a NEET UG aspirant, you need to click on NEET UG. Okay, now here you can see various tools. One is a rank predictor, other is college directory, MBBS college predictor, MBBS choice filling advisor, MBBS closing ranks, and mind you, these all are free. Okay, we are not charging anything from anyone. Okay, so these tools are going to be very useful for you at the time of counselings. Okay, so I'll just show you example. Suppose we go for NEET predictor. Okay, and here you put in all your details, it will predict your rank. Okay, so after predicting your rank, you can, on basis of those ranks what you've got, okay, you can definitely check on MBBS College Predictor. Okay, now MBBS College Predictor, we have two. One is State Counseling College Predictor, and one is MCC Counseling. Okay, so first I would like to introduce you to College Medical Directory. So you do not have to go and browse each and every website of every college. What you need to do is just log in with neetadmission.in, and whatever college details you require. Suppose you want a detail of a college in Karnataka. Um, Suppose it is BR Ambedkar. It's a very good college. Okay, so you just submit the details. So what you have over here is the details about the college. Okay, it was established in 1981. It is a private college. MBBS seats of for NRI it is 40 lakhs. And what are the courses offered? It is MBBS, MDMS. Hostels are available. So what you can do is like go for the courses MBBS. What was the cutoff then in state counseling? And the different categories, you can see the cutoffs. Okay, and then you can come on to the fee structure. The fee structure for private category, it's 10 lakh 92,000. For management, it is for 40 lakh. For NRI, again it is 40 lakh. For government quota, it is 1 lakh 58,000. So this is, you'll get a rough idea about each and every college. Okay, this was about college directory. You can go and search any college. Suppose now here we select Gujarat. Let's go for colleges in Gujarat. Suppose Surat Municipal Institute. So it will give you all the details, okay, about the college. See, hostel, faculty, amenities, how to reach the college. Each and everything is given over here. Then you can go on the cutoffs. Then we have management category cutoff 513. Okay, NRI management, NRI category cutoff 8,54,000. So, and here's the fee structure for uh, colleges, that is for government quota it is 7 lakh 65,000. For management category it is 14 lakh 82,000. For NRI it is 21 lakh. For private quota it is again 7 lakh 65,000. So you can easily see the fees. Now you can see the faculties, who are the faculties who are here. Okay, so it is very simple, and it will show you the college health report. The bed occupancy, it's 83%, which is very good. Okay, and this is a monthly data, and how many MRI CT scan. So you will get a rough idea about each and every college. Now let's go to MBBS college predict. Okay, now here we have two predictors. One is MCC counseling, which is for all India quota central deemed universities. Okay, and this is state counseling. Suppose we use a state counseling. Suppose we are looking at counseling of, this is my rank. This will come automatically once I log in with my uh, UG rank predictor. Okay, so let's see, MBBS, do I stand in Maharashtra? Okay, and let's select quota. I'm here selecting government quota, and open, and I've selected my category is open in round one. And do I get any colleges? So it will show me all the colleges. Okay, and it will also show me what are my chances. So here you can see NEET UG rank 1,91,200. Categories open, counseling, state counseling course, MBBS. Round I'm looking at round one only. So these are government colleges. So these are total 34. My high are 0, my moderate are 0, and my tough are 34. And in this way you can go to colleges. Okay, now what I'll do to make it more simplified, as I put a very higher in rank, so I'll do MBBS. I'll select state of Uttar Pradesh, okay, and then I select private quota of Uttar Pradesh and all India open and round one, and I'll predict my chances. Okay, so you can see Rama Medical College Hospital, okay, Kanpur, okay, and it shows the fee structure is 12 lakh 99,199. The score was 497, and the cutoff was 2 lakh. 9,162. So my chances are moderate as my rank here is 1,91,200. So Saraswati Hapur also, okay, and Noida International. My chances are also moderate. It's closing in rank round one in 2024 was 1,94,984. Royalkhand Medical College. And suppose you're looking, suppose your chances are high in FH Medical College, Agra, its fee structure is 16 lakh 50,000. The cutoff was 5 lakh 37,000. Suppose you want to know about this college, you need to just simply click this college. Okay, it will again take you to the page which gives you complete details. Okay, and you can here again see the college health report, the occupancy, total number of beds, all the things which are updated monthly. And let's go have a look at the faculties. You can see these are the faculties over there in the college. Okay, in different departments, the fee structure we'll see it's 16 lakh 50,000. Okay, who's still first year, we haven't updated the hostel part. You can definitely check with the colleges that how much hostel they would be charging. Okay, and then you can see the cutoff in state round one 328, it was 5 lakh 37,000. In round two it was 329 for Muslim, as it is a Muslim minority college. It is 239. The cutoff 8 lakh 10,189. These are the cutoff ranks. These are the scores. So again, you can go back. Okay. Now, what we'll do, we'll use MBBS College Predictor for your deemed universities, okay, or all India quota under different categories. So again, you come down to College Predictor, your rank comes automatically over here. Select course MBBS, select counseling all India quota, select category government, then you can go for the category, that is UR, that is unreserved, and it predicts the colleges. So now you can see it is total of 392 colleges on 1,91,200 rank under unreserved category. The course, the admission is very difficult. Okay, so this will give you a prediction about what are your chances in any college, and this is about the all India quota. Let's go back, and what we'll do this time here, we'll put MBBS again, all India quota, and this is all India quota. Okay, we'll just select here MBBS, all India quota, select category government, and then we'll look at for SC category cutoff. This is round one. Let's see if we have a chance on 1,91,000 SC. So you can see total 389 colleges had SC seats. The highest you can see is 1,05,676 cutoff. Okay, so you can see here in the all India quota, the chances are very difficult. Okay, we'll go back. We'll see under different quota. We'll select here MBBS again and deemed. Select quota management, category open, and we'll see our colleges if I have any chance in deemed university. So yes, you can see in deemed university the cutoff was 2,16,182. The fee structure is 17,60,000. Now, if I want to, the chances are moderate. So if I want to view the details of this college SDU, I again come to this page. Okay, the average bed occupancy is 74.26. the faculty, there is a shortage of faculty in 4 departments. You can go through this faculty. Okay, and you can go to the college health report. The bed occupancy, as I said, is 74.26. The cutoff for round one was 492 score, that is 2,16,000. Okay, and then for mop up it was 1,67,000. Okay, it shows the both the cutoffs NRI open and every round, that is round one, round two, and mop up and stray, all the rounds. Fee structure you can see is 17,60,000. We haven't updated the hostel fees, that is as it changes year by year. Okay, so what is the NRI quota fees? It is 38 lakhs rupees. No, it is not a minority college. Okay, it is not a minority college, so the fee structure remains the same. That is 17 lakhs 60,000 rupees. Okay, so let's go back again and let's see, Kalinga, that is 18 lakh 50,000 fees. The cutoff was 2 lakh 13,081. Suppose you want to look at the details of Kalinga, again you click here, you get all the details related to Kalinga. Average bed occupancy, let's see, is 6.01. Okay, and MRI CT scans, it's good. Okay, and the fee structure is 18 lakh 50,000. The cutoff you can see is 2 lakh 13,000. Under NRI it was 10 lakhs, and under management again it was for mop up round, it was 1 lakh 29,000. So you, in this way, you can see everything, every detail. Okay, and this is, sorry, I'm very sorry. So here you can check the details of every college, every cutoff. So this was about the college predictor. It is in the state or as well as all India counseling. Now, if you want to take advice of choice filling advisor, so first we'll try MCC. So this is my rank. I'll select the course MBBS. I'll select the counseling all India quota, and this time it's government, and this time I select the category as SC. Okay, so this round one, and you can definitely see SC. Under SC, I am not getting any seats on this rank, 1,91,000. So what I'll do, I'll again come back here, select MBBS, select counseling type all India quota, select government, and again this time I'll select ST, and I'll see whether I stand any chance. So in ST, I'll see number of seats available under ST is only one. In the cutoff was 1,33,940. Okay, so the chances are looking difficult. Okay, I'll just go on the last page. Let's see, it has gone up to 1,45,207. Okay, so do not stand a chance on 1,91,000 in the ST category, in the MBBS also, in colleges, government colleges. So what I'll do, I'll go back here, and I'll do, this is MBBS counseling deemed. I'll select quota management. I'll select category open. So how should be my choice filling for deemed universities? First college which I should prefer is Jawaharlal Nehru Medical College, Belgavi. The cutoff was 1,38,000. KS Medical College, Mangalore, 1,53,000. JJM Hubli, 2,04,000. I stand a good chance. Kalinga, moderate, 2,13,000. Sri Devraj, 2,16,000. Institute of Medical Sciences, Bhubaneswar, 2,52,000. MGM Navi Mumbai, I stand a good chance. So this should be my order of preference. So I go on the last page. Okay, the cutoff was 13 lakh for Sri Satya Sai. So you can see this should be the way you should fill your choices while during doing the choice filling. These are your preferred colleges. These are the colleges where you stand a good chance. Okay, so this should be your order of filling the choices for admission, and the management category in private colleges, in private deemed colleges. So this will help you out during the choice filling. You can clearly see Hubli, Kolar, then Diya Patil Kolhapur, Maharishi Markandeshwar, Bharati Sangli, Sri Siddhartha Tumkur, Amrita Kochi. Okay, these are the chances. You might be seeing that no symbiosis college is shown, or no rural Pravara medical college is shown. On 1,91,000, I do not stand a chance. Where I stand a chance, it shows that college. Okay, where you should where you should fill the choices first, where the priority or the priority of you getting into the seat, the majority of chances of you getting in the seats are these colleges. Okay, so this was about choice filling advisor. Okay, and we'll use one state choice filling advisor again, and we'll try to use this time for Bihar. We'll use it for Bihar. Okay, so course I'll select MBBS here. Quota I'll select private. Category UR, and select round 2. This time I'll select for round 2, and see, these are my preference wise choice filling order. Okay, that is 1,90,503 Mata Gujri. The fees is 8,38,000 Katiyar. The fees is 8,38,000. The cutoff rank was 2 lakh. Narayana 8,21,000. The cutoff was 4,19,000. Okay, there is no bond. Number of beds of the hospital is also given. Lord Buddha Koshi Medical College Sahasra, you can see over here. The cutoff was 4 lakh 70. So this should be my the order of choice filling when I'm participating in Bihar counseling. Okay, yep. So I hope you have liked this support from our side. I hope you will be able to use it very freely, and you will be very excited to use these tools. Thank you for watching this video, and kindly like, subscribe for our channel, share this website with as many as possible, so that it is of good use to everyone who, maybe it's your colleagues or your peers who appeared in exam with you. It will be of big help to everyone. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Kindly like, subscribe and share. It's a sincere request. Thank you.